Most Indian investors make one silent mistake and they build their entire portfolio inside India only. And that single decision can cap your wealth for decades. Let me show you why smart investors at the US market and how you can do it safely. Here is the first big reason, which is currency advantage. In 2012, $1 was around 50 rupees only, and today it is close to 90 rupees. So that means the rupee keeps weakening over time. Now see this example. You invest $1 at 90 rupees, the stock doubles to $2 and the dollar moves to 100 rupees. So your investment becomes 200 rupees and you made money here from first is stock growth and second is currency growth. So this is called double returns. And here is the shocking part. Even if the stock price does not move, a stronger dollar alone can increase your returns in rupees. Indian only investors don't get this benefit. Now, the second reason, which is innovation. 8 out of the world's top 10 companies are American. AI, cloud computing, semiconductor, or even electric vehicles. If you invest only in India, you miss these companies, which is building the future of technology. And one more important point is diversification. If Indian markets crash, US markets don't always crash together. So US stocks act like a shock absorber for your portfolio. So for beginners, even 10 to 15% exposure to US market is quite enough. You don't need to go all in. You just need to start. So first method is international mutual funds or ETFs. You buy Indian funds that track S&P 500, Nasdaq or Dow Jones. So you can here even start with 500 rupees, which is very beginner friendly. And second method is direct US investing using apps like IndMoney or Wisted. Here is the cool part, you can buy even fractional shares here. Tesla may cost 40,000 rupees to you, but you can invest just 500 rupees and still own a piece of the share. Beginners start with ETFs and mutual funds. Don't rush into stock picking and think long term, think global, because the future of wealth is not local, it's global.